medicine, from healing hands to deadly science and back again. Was medicine always meant to heal? View 1. The healer's path. Ancient healers, from Hippocrates to Chinese herbalists, saw medicine as sacred balance. Do no harm was the moral core. Biology and chemistry were meant to restore harmony. Even early chemistry, alchemy, aimed at purification, not destruction. View 2. The darker alchemy. The same curiosity that birthed cures also created poisons. Medieval alchemists experimented with mercury, lead, and arsenic elixirs. By the 19th century, chemical laboratories producing anesthetics also made chloroform and mustard gas. Healing and harm in the same vial. How did biology and chemistry cross into weapons? View 1. Defensive science. Biology offered knowledge to defend against disease and biothreats. Vaccines, antibiotics, and protective gear were developed through military-funded labs like Fort Detrick in the US or Porton Down in the UK, initially to safeguard troops. View 2. Weaponized science. The same labs engineered anthrax, plague, and nerve gas for use in warfare. In World War I, chlorine and phosgene gas emerged from chemical medicine research. World War II's Japanese Unit 731 fused microbiology with atrocity. The boundary between cure and curse nearly vanished. When did medical innovation become medical profit? View 1. Necessary capital. Big Pharma argues that high profits fund R&D, clinical trials, and safety. Drugs like insulin analogs and mRNA vaccines required billions in investment. The profit cycle, they claim, sustains innovation. View 2. The profit trap. History shows otherwise. Opioids, marketed as non-addictive, Purdue Pharma, 1996. Thalidomide, marketed as safe for pregnancy, 1950s. Both earned billions before harming millions. Corporate medicine sometimes heals balance sheets, not bodies. Are vaccines a blessing or a weapon of control? View 1. Shield of humanity. Vaccines eradicated smallpox and cut child mortality by 95%. mRNA platforms now promise cancer immunotherapy and universal flu vaccines. They remain one of science's greatest humanitarian achievements. View 2. Ethical and political abuse. However, history records unethical experiments. The Tuskegee syphilis study, forced sterilizations, and Cold War bioweapon tests on unwitting citizens. Mistrust arises not from science itself, but from the institutions that weaponized it. Can a pill be both medicine and poison? View 1. The dose makes the cure. Paracelsus said, "All things are poison, and nothing is without poison. Only the dose makes a thing not a poison." Chemotherapy, digitalis, and even radiation therapy embody this paradox. Deadly in excess, life-saving in balance. View 2. The addiction cycle. Modern dose manipulation birthed a global addiction epidemic. Painkillers designed for healing became street narcotics. Antibiotics created resistant superbugs. Humanity's chemical dependence turned pharmacies into quiet battlegrounds. Is artificial intelligence the next healer or the next weapon? View 1. AI as the great healer. AI models predict protein structures. DeepMind's AlphaFold accelerate drug discovery and assist remote diagnostics in poor regions. Future biodigital twins could test drugs on your virtual body before a doctor prescribes them. View 2. AI as bioweapon architect. The same algorithms can design toxins faster than any human. In 2022, researchers showed an AI trained for drug discovery could generate 40,000 lethal molecules in 6 hours when prompted differently. The line between medical AI and synthetic biowarfare is a single parameter. Should we fear gene editing or embrace it? View 1. Cure by code. CRISPR technology may soon erase hereditary blindness, cancer mutations, and sickle cell disease. In principle, editing one's DNA is rewriting destiny for good. View 2. Designer humanity. But unregulated editing invites eugenics. The 2018 CRISPR baby scandal in China showed how quickly science can cross ethical borders. Will future medicine heal individuals or engineer societies? What does the future of medicine look like? Healing or control? View 1. Rehumanized medicine. Quantum sensors, nanobots, and regenerative bioprinting will let medicine repair tissue atom by atom. Decentralized biotech and open-source medical research could democratize healing. View 2. Centralized bioauthority. Meanwhile, governments and corporations may own your genetic data, behavior, and health algorithms. Health passports could determine social access. Medicine becomes a tool of governance, not compassion. Conclusion. Between the scalpel and the sword. Medicine and weaponry are born from the same root. Human mastery over biology and chemistry. Every antibiotic, anesthetic, and algorithm can heal or harm depending on who holds the syringe: a doctor, a dictator, or a shareholder. The future balance depends on transparency, decentralized science, and moral literacy in biotechnology. The next revolution won't be chemical, it will be ethical, and the most powerful medicine will still be conscience.